Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm going to be showing you how I bake my sweet potato pudding. Alright, so I have my coconut milk, my mixed spice, my cinnamon powder right here, yes, my vanilla, sugar, flour, all-purpose flour, salt, okay, my yellow yam and my sweet potato. Okay, guys, yes. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using in the sweet potato pudding. All right, yeah. So I'm going to be peeling the potato before I grate it. You can either grate the potato and the yam, or you can just cut it up and blend it up. Okay, guys, yes, I choose to do it the old-fashioned way and just peel it and grate it. All right. So after I peel my potato and my yellow yam, guys, I grate it, and I'm also going to be grating a piece of coconut in there as well, just a little piece of the coconut. All right, guys. So after I finish, I'm just doing a little cleanup there. So after I finish grating my yellow yam, my sweet potato, and my piece of coconut, I just combine them together, and then I add my coconut milk. Okay, guys, yes, I'm just gonna give that a really good stir and make sure everything is combined in the pot equally. All right, guys, yes. So after I finish combining the ingredients together, I add a cup of sugar. You can add just a cup or you can add a little bit more. Depends on how sweet you want your sweet potato pudding to be. Alright guys, yes, and then I add 2 cups of flour as well. So I'm going to be mixing that around and combining the ingredients, beat up the butter a little. Yeah. Guys, I add just a little bit more of coconut milk in there because the butter was a little bit too tight. You just want to loosen it up just a bit. Alright guys, yes, so if you find that your butter is too tight, you just throw a little bit of more coconut milk in there. Alright, and just stir that out. Alright guys, so that's what I was doing there. Alright, so I'm going to be adding my vanilla, my cinnamon powder, and my mixed spice, and also a little pinch of salt. Yeah, just a little tip right there. Okay guys, yes, and I also add a little bit of melted butter to it as well. Okay guys, yes, so I'm just going to stir that up, and I'm also going to add some raisin and mixed fruit that I had soaking, yeah, in wine and rum. Okay guys, it's optional, it's all up to you. I'm doing a little bit more cleanup here. So like I was saying, it's optional, it's all up to you if you want to add the raisin there. I wanted to add it in my sweet potato pudding. Yes, I just add it in it, that's it. The raisin with a little rum and wine, yeah, that I had soaking. Yeah, just add some to the butter. All right guys, yes, so that's basically all the ingredients that I use. I'm just giving it another good mix, beating up that butter. All right guys, yes. So she was in the kitchen with me and she wanted to help out. So she said she wanted to grease the the baking tin. All right, so she did that. Okay guys, yes, I was just telling her to get around the top part as well. Okay guys, yes, so after she greased the tin, I'm going to be adding it to the baking tin. So I just a little bit leave over in the pot still, and she said she wanted to put it in some muffin tin to eat. Okay, yes, so we did that as ready as well. Into the she threw a little into the, there we go, into the little muffin baking tin. All right guys, yes, those turn out perfectly as well. Okay, so I'm going to be making a little roux to put on top of it, adding some sugar and some molasses to the coconut milk that I had leave over back, guys. Yes, so you actually add that when the cake not the cake when the sweet potato pudding is like 20 minutes from finish it. You just take it out, and like exactly what I'm going to be doing here, take it out and you just put it on top to get that nice gooey yummy soft top that we all love. Yes, so that's what I make and that's what I did right there. Okay guys, I practically put that in bag for like another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, yes, see it, I gave it that nice gooey top That's what I love. Yes. So that's what mixing the coconut milk and the sugar and the molasses did. Okay, guys, that's our like a cupcake pudding. Yes, guys. Yes, it turned out really perfectly, and not only did it turn out perfectly, guys, but it was really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, it was good, guys. I totally enjoy eating this pudding. Totally enjoy making it. It didn't take a long time to do. Okay, like I said, you don't have to grate it. You can just blend up it. But I wanted to do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, guys. Yes, and that was the taste test. And I'm telling you, it made me dance. All right. Yes, it made me dance. That's how good it was. I totally enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe. Catch you all, guys, in another video. Bye for now.